What's going on, everybody? So today we're going to take our Note 10 cell phone and we are going to put it on night mode, and we're going to try to take a picture of the stars. I'm going to try to get the Orion's belt, which is over here, because everybody pretty much can identify Orion's belt. And we're going to try to frame it up. Belt there looks good, and we're just going to use the night mode here and hit it, have it on a 2-second delay, and then it's going to take a picture, and we're going to see the quality. As a beginner astrophotographer, just using your cell phone and the capability of it, we'll see how what kind of quality comes out. So there is our photo, and actually that turned out very well. And if you put it into editing software and you want to tweak it and stuff, I think that's pretty good. That's pretty darn good, if I must say. We're gonna go ahead and we'll take one more on night mode. We just have it on night mode at a one-time zoom, a 2-second delay. And it's going to take a picture. And there's our picture. Let's check it out. There's our picture. And I must say, it came out very well. And I think to do landscape photography would be nice on this as well. Let's go ahead and we're going to try to take a picture of the moon in our night mode here and see how well it turns out. Now, this is in autofocus, so I'm thinking it's not going to turn out too well with the moon. Might have to do manual mode in order to get the moon. And once you start getting into manual mode, I feel that you have to know what you're doing in order to take astro pictures in manual mode. Whereas in night mode, you just turn on night mode, you point it towards the stars, and you take a picture. I mean, how easy could that be? So yeah, you're definitely going to need to take a picture of the moon. You'll have to go into your pro settings and go into manual mode and do it that way. And we can do that real quick. We can go into more, go into pro, and we're going to drop our ISO down to 400. We'll drop our speed down to 1/8, and we'll go ahead and take a picture of that. Because the moon's so bright, we don't need a long exposure to gather all the light, but I know that's getting a little advanced. And there's the moon. Doesn't look too good. I'm no professional, but if you want to use your cell phone and you have a night mode on there, you can use your cell phone and take astro pictures. So thanks for stopping in. Hopefully check out another video. Hit the subscribe button, the like button. Let me know if you like this kind of video or whatever. So I appreciate you. Thanks.